Massive move in oil prices as Israel attacks nuclear facilities in Iran. Obviously, we just had lower oil prices and it would have been good to get that lower inflation, but it looks like we're heading back towards sort of higher inflation readings because of this latest military move. Now, from a trading perspective, congratulations if you traded on the back of what we've been talking about over the last couple of weeks. We said that on a break to these levels, we could push higher. Now, I didn't think we are going to go this high. I said we'll break here and go a little bit higher, I don't know, 70 or something like that. I think I said plus this level here. I think that made a lot of sense given the overall bearish picture as well. The fact that OPEC wants to produce more crude oil and lower prices effectively. But then we have this twist with the attack by Iran. And congratulations, if you were still long, you would have made a very nice profit because we were stuck in this triangle pattern, right? And the break here, if you measure from here to here, suggests that we can go up all the way up here. Now that happened, okay? So now that's done and dusted. Now, of course, in the short term, there will probably be more attacks. Maybe we'll go a bit higher. If you wanted to play into that, then I think, yeah, we should probably bottom out where we are right now. If we take Fibonacci from the low to the high, you can see how this is the 50% correction, might go a little bit lower. We're probably going to try to bottom out here and then maybe push up to 74, and then we'll see what happens. Now, personally, what we have seen before is that we tend to have these one-off spikes, okay? Panic is in the air. And then the trend doesn't really get legs. And I think it is quite likely that maybe this time next week, this is going to be done and dusted. So I think there might be some sort of negotiation now between US, Iran, and Israel. And if it's not right now, it might come in a couple of days when Israel has done what they want to do in Iran. I don't really think, and I'm not a military expert, but I don't think they're going to try to invade Iran or something like that. At least not right now, because Trump doesn't want to get involved. I think the US would only get involved if Iran somehow manages to get a stronger position in any way, but I don't really see that happening either. So realistically, this is going to fizzle out and we'll be back at 70, 69 at one point. But from a trading perspective, it's extremely hard to trade that and highly risk unless you know what you're doing. And with that, we're wrapping up here. If you have any questions or opinions, let us know.